Hey guys, it's Garza. I'm so excited to be celebrating the holidays with EcoTools again this year. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. I'm actually so excited for the holidays this year because it's my son Julian's first Christmas and we have so many fun little events and family things planned. It's gonna be a blast. Today I'm gonna share some gift ideas with you guys. I really wanted to prepare early, get everything ready. That way I can just enjoy the holidays. I won't be stressed out. So all of my gifts are gonna be put together, wrapped, and under the tree before December. So I thought I would share with you guys my ideas. Hopefully it'll inspire you when you're putting together your gifts this year. Some EcoTools products, really cute new sets and stuff, and also some other little fun things that are great for friends, family, that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to share with you some gifts I picked out from my mom, my sister, some of my girlfriends, coworkers, stuff like that. So first up is my mom. She is a total glam girl. She loves fashion and makeup and jewelry and big hair. So I always love gifting her some new makeup and stuff like that for Christmas. I feel like she has so many holiday parties, so many get-togethers. She always loves hosting things at her house. So I thought a fresh new set of brushes would be great. This is the kit that I got for her. It's the EcoTools Warm Winter Glow Beauty Kit. So in this kit, you get the round powder brush, the classic foundation brush, the airbrush and detail brush, the smudge and line brush, the trifecting wedge, which is one of my favorites, and you also get a great little travel mirror, and you get the storage tin so you can keep it all out on your vanity. My mom loves to display a lot of her makeup and her favorite products, so she'll love having this little tin too. And the great thing about these kits is they're already packaged so beautifully. You don't even have to wrap them. You can put a little bow on it and be good to go. I am gonna wrap them just because I have fun wrapping and I think it's fun to do. Usually what I do is I get one wrapping roll of wrapping paper for my mom, my dad, my sister, so everyone knows which gifts are for them. It's a fun way to kind of coordinate, but this is the one I'm getting for my mom this year. She's gonna love this. She loves EcoTools brushes as much as I do. So usually around the holidays, I try to make time either in November or December to see as many of my friends as I can just for drinks or dinner, or they come over to the house or whatever. So I thought I'd put together a couple little gift boxes. I bought a ton of these really pretty kind of Marvel inspired boxes last year and I have a couple of them left over. So I'm going to put together a couple right now. I picked up a bunch of really cute things that we can kind of add to make it kind of like a glam pamper night, I don't know, makeup lover type of gift box that I think will be really cute. All of my friends are into makeup and everything, so they're gonna love this. So for all the gift boxes, I'm gonna be adding in the Total Perfecting Blender. For the holidays, EcoTools has put them in this cute little packaging, so it's kind of like an ornament, which I think is so cute. This would be a really cute little stocking stuffer gift. But they came in a darker color. These are my favorite sponges from EcoTools. Concealer, powder, foundation. They're great little sponges. So the Total Perfecting Blender is gonna go in here. Next up, I always like adding in a nail polish. I feel like it's simple and it's easy and everyone always loves to have a couple really good nail polishes at home if you don't have time to go to the salon or whatever. I do my nails at home a lot, so I like something that really lasts a week or longer, something that doesn't chip. So I found these polishes from Essie. They're called Gel Couture. I really love this color too. It's number 138 Pre-Show Jitters. It's just that perfect kind of creamy, milky, pinky white color. So I'm gonna add one of these into every gift box as well. Okay, and then to go along with that, I always love a little face mist. I feel like it's universal. It doesn't matter what someone's skin type is or what their makeup preference is. Everyone always loves a little mist. So I picked up the Pixie Glow Mist. This is actually one of my favorite mists. It's great for hydrating your skin, using it as a makeup setting spray. You just kind of shake it up and spray it all over. So I'm gonna add one of these in with the box. And lastly, I love a good hand cream, especially in Michigan in the winter. Your hands need a really good hand cream. They can get dry and chapped, so I love this one from Soap & Glory. It's called Hand Food. It's just a really nice staple hand cream, so I picked up a bunch of those for all of my friends. I'm gonna add this into the box as well. Add some tissue paper in there with a little cute marble top, and you have a really cute affordable gift basket for all your friends, co-workers, teachers, whatever. This is just a great little easy gift basket to put together that anyone would love. Next up, I picked out a couple of gifts for my sister Frankie. I feel like she's all over the place. She comes and stays with us sometimes. She goes and stays with my mom or her fiance, whatever. So she's always bouncing around. So I thought some good travel brushes would be really great for her to add to her collection. So I picked her up the Winter Wonder Travel Kit. It's an on-the-go set which includes 4 mini brushes and a travel tin for a full face look on the go. So the brushes that you get in the kit are the Precision Powder, Controlled Setting, which is my personal favorite for an under eye setting, angled crease, and also the accent shadow brush. So this is a really nice little kit that you can take on the go, put everything in that little tin, and you're ready for a full face. And I also picked up this really nice candle for her. It's called Cozy Nights. It smells so good. It's just kind of like warm and spicy and sweet at the same time. A great candle to burn during the holidays or even before and after. It's just a nice kind of scent to add to your home. So I thought she would love this for her apartment. Okay, I have all my wrapping paper. I've got my scissors and my tape. So let's wrap these up. Okay, here we go. I have my gift boxes, my set for my mom, my set for my sister, all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a great holiday season. Links will be down below in the description box to all the holiday EcoTools sets. Thanks so much to them for sponsoring and collaborating with me. Check out my videos over on my channel, Alexandria Garza, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!